Recover, repair, and regulate with a bath. No, not water, but sound. Bliss Wellness Studio is a sanctuary for holistic healing and burnout recovery, and its owner Niajae joins us this morning with the benefits of sound therapy. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, of course. So I guess we should just start off with what sound therapy is.
Yeah, so sound therapy is a holistic way to repair and regulate the nervous system, and it's used with tools like crystal singing bowls and Himalayan singing bowls, and the vibration and healing frequencies activates our brain waves. So we have 5 different brain waves. When we meditate, we go into our theta brainwave, and that's where our bodies actually repair.
And you were telling me the difference between sound therapy and somatic sound therapy, which is what you specialize in.
Yes, I specialize in somatic sound therapy, meaning we place bowls directly on the body. So we place the Himalayan bowls on the body that produces a vibration that is helping the nervous system go from fight, flight, or freeze to our rest and digest state.
Oh, interesting. So the difference between these 2 bowls, that's the crystal bowl?
This is the crystal bowl, so this does not go on the body.
Okay.
And this one does go on the body.
Can we hear it?
Of course. The larger the bowl, the deeper the tone, and the deep tones is what helps ground the nervous system.
Yeah, I've never seen it done before where the bowl is actually on you, but we will see that at 9 o'clock. So how does this work? How does it regulate and ease stress?
So the vibration is helping our cells repair. Because we have so much EMF, everything that has Wi-Fi gives off EMF, and that's actually slowing our cells down. So the healing frequencies and the vibration is getting our cells moving and repairing how they're supposed to. And the EMF that we're taking in, which is everywhere, if you think about when you're in a park and there's Wi-Fi, think about how strong that signal is. That's actually slowing our bodies down from repair. EMF.
What is that?
Electromagnetic.
Okay, that's what frequency. Okay, that's what I thought.
Yes.
So benefits.
So the benefits is it's getting our cells moving. It's activating our lymphatic system, which flushes toxins from our body. It is reducing inflammation, and it also helps dissolve trapped emotions.
Which leads me to your focus on trauma therapy as well.
Yes, so every practitioner that has ever worked at Bliss is trauma informed. We know how to provide the healing without overstimulating the nervous system. If someone has PTSD, really high anxiety, certain sounds and frequencies could actually trigger it or induce anxiety rather than reduce it. So we specialize in what's safe for the nervous system.
And how can people find you? Where do they go to get a sound bath?
BlissWellnessTampa.com. So I also do corporate wellness. I can come to you. I have people that fly into Tampa. Tampa's a great place to visit anyway. So I have people that fly into town to work with me as well. We do wellness scans where I can actually tell you how close you are to burnout or if you are in burnout. So we have a customized plan for you.
And speaking of burnout recovery, you've written a book about it.
Yes. I released a book this month, or actually last month now. It's called The Burnout Epidemic. So it talks about the different types of burnout, because not everyone is in the same type of burnout. We have nervous system burnout, we have emotional burnout, we have mental burnout, and what you need according to what type of burnout you are in is all in the book. So there's journal questions and reflection questions to help you identify where you are.
So each person, you have a specific routine for them.
Yes.
It depends on the person that you're working with.
Yes. So if someone is battling with depression, they may need more movement. And someone who is always on the go and maybe a little dissociated or disconnected from their body, they may need more stillness. And so it takes you through where you are with questions to reflect upon, and then what would be good for your specific situation.
Niajae, thank you so much for joining us. Don't go anywhere, because it's coming up at 9 o'clock. We are going to demonstrate what a sound bath looks like.